Alright, we shooting 60 yards out here, man, getting it going. Got the old Halon, Black Gold, Elite Victory, Beef Stinger, Ripcord, Ace, G5 Peep. Let's see, there goes the target. Down there, we're gonna take another shot. Hold on one second. Get the shot out the way. All right, just shot. Let's go see what we look like. Washing some clothes and wasting some time, right? That little radio playing. Just taking it easy, but let's see what we got. There we go, 60 yards. Target turned at an angle a little bit, but 3-inch group. 60 yards, I'll take it all day. Lungs on a smaller target than what we have a real deer, but I'll take it, man. We got a good crosswind, about 10 miles an hour out here, hitting up against this fish, so it makes the arrow do a little crazy things, but these arrows are flying good and resisting pretty good. All right, long buster out.